Fee payments to third parties. Your accountants and auditors, of course, will need to be paid either on a monthly basis, quarterly basis. This is for the accountants, WISE for the auditors. It's a payment at the year end. Other than that, Cyprus company, to buy a Cyprus company is relatively more expensive than other jurisdictions, but it pays off in the end as the taxes are significantly low. Accounting and audit fees are reasonable. I wouldn't say they are expensive. They are in the region of 3,000 to 5,000 or 6,000 euros all inclusive per annum, unless you have a really big operation where you have large volumes of invoices, you have employees, you have Intrastat, you have VIS reporting, and you have a ton of box files that your accountants and then the auditors need to check. If you are not in that category, I would expect you to have a non-inclusive package between 3,000 to 6,000 euros per annum, and that's it.